Hello and bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Halloween is coming and today I have my first Halloween inspired makeup palette review, and of course the title says it, we're doing the Joker. So Makeup Revolution, first of all, they're releasing so much, like they're gonna be the majority of my Halloween palette reviews, like they're amazing. Anywho, ooh, my dog's here. Up. It's Pumbaa time. He's never here this early. You never hear this early, Pumbaa. I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting for their first drop. This was their first kind of bigger, more famous Halloween drop, if you'll call it. So a few weeks ago now they did a collab and we had Catwoman, Batman, Harley Quinn, and Joker. I did not get the whole collection because listen, there was a lot of stuff, but I did pick up some cool pieces. I will be doing the Forever Flawless Batman palette in my next video, so stay tuned for that. But for today, as of course the title says, we are doing the very infamous Joker. First of all, can we take a second for how this palette looks? I mean, it's just so cool and unique with all the hee-hees and ha-has. It really stands out. If you're a collector of makeup, which I'm basically becoming at this point, I feel like this is a really unique piece. You would have seen it at the start of the video, this Batman mirror. I just think it's so cool. Oh, like, that's so unique. I also got the lip gloss for the Joker collection. I don't have a red lip gloss, I realized, and this looks so juicy. And I swear, I put the Joker brushes in my basket and I was paying, and then you can imagine my surprise when the shipment came and they weren't in there. I'm assuming they just sold out while I was paying, but I'm still waiting to get them because again, they're so unique. I would really love to have them in my collection, but I'm super stoked to do that and use the lip gloss in the mirror, and I mean, yeah. Let us just dive in. Look number one. So I'm gonna be trying to use every single shade throughout this video. There's only 9. I usually do 3 looks with 18 pan palettes, but I will do 2 here just because it's a really fun and exciting, colorful little palette, and the packaging is just to die for. So I'm gonna do what I will call the more wearable of the 2 looks for the first one. So we're gonna be hitting up 4 shades. So yeah, we're gonna do a kind of a smoked out eye with the silver. We're gonna do yellow on the lid, the deep blue, and the pop of lime green on the underneath. Quite excited because it's still, I mean, this isn't a neutral palette, let's be clear, but I like how kind of primary the colors are. So let's get started. So this one will be a bit graphic. So what I'm gonna do is draw out the shape first and then go in with the color, and also do a extra punch of thick primer on the middle so that the yellow will actually pop. So starting here with the shade called, of all the shades in this palette, this silver gray one is called Joker. Would you not think it would be the red or the green or the purple? Who made these choices? Who made these choices? Anyways, I'm going in with the silver shade Joker to do my outline. I have to stop here because this shade is actually so beautiful. It's almost like a hazy purple kind of silver, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, happy there. That's kind of the shape I'm going for. I'm going for a graphic, large eyeliner, we'll call it. And so I'm gonna do the other side and start filling that in. I am loving this shade. It's very buttery as well, so it goes on so smoothly, but it's such a flattering gray. Like I said, it has that kind of smoky haze in it, which automatically makes it really great, first of all, for a smoky eye, but it just, I find for me, it is a lot more flattering because when it's the really chalky, cool tone gray, sometimes it just doesn't work. It washes people out a bit, but this one is lovely. Yes. So now that both eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with a thick base. For that, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and then I'll be putting the yellow on top. So the yellow shade is called Stranger, and I'm just gonna pack that on with a fairly flat brush. I find both in Makeup Revolution and just in general, yellows are not most pigmented, the best to work with. So I'm gonna be very careful and take my time here. And I'm really trying to make it, if you can see here, just like a circle with the highest concentrate right in the middle. And then whatever is being left over on the brush, just tapping that slightly out so that it blends or starts to become a bit more cohesive with that silver gray. Okay, so I'm quite happy there. I feel like it looks like a superhero, maybe something, you know, like Storm, electricity with the background. Powerful, it feels powerful. Hopefully I don't ruin it with the next few colors, but I think not. I like it. I am gonna clean up the graphic portion in a moment. However, we're gonna be going into, like I mentioned, the sparkly blue and the green. So the sparkly blue is called Crazier, it's a fitting name, and the green is called Happy Face. I'm really curious, oh, that's not cream, is it? Oh my God, is it cream? Revelations. Oh my God, the blue is a cream. I had no idea, that's gorgeous. And I am taking the color again down deeper on my lower lash line than I normally would, but I just really want it to be visible and for it to pop. Okay, I've cleaned it up a fair bit. I obviously am gonna finish off my face and I'll be right back. I'm not gonna use the red lip gloss here, or should I? I feel like it won't work. Will it work? Oh my God, that smells amazing. Oh, it's like some candy from my childhood. Okay, you know what, it might work. Let's start off with a nude situation and then we'll go into the rest. Okay, bye. All right, let's go on to the bright and colorful and intense and crazy look. So I think I am gonna be using every other color, but basically I'm gonna be doing a cray like Joker-esque look, but make it fashion, maybe, we'll try, and go from there. So I'm just gonna be going a little bit ham, a little bit wild with the brushes and seeing where it all takes me. Yeah, we're gonna be starting out with the purple, which is Power, and that's basically gonna be the blend, if you will, and then we'll go in with some other colors. And let it be messy. If you're following this look as a tutorial, let it be messy. Joker's not exactly a precise, clean-cut kind of guy, is he? No. I think what I'm going to do as well is basically start to mimic with some of the reds and oranges, kind of bruising on the under eye, and use some other colors. I really just want to go a bit wild with this look. I think it could be really fun. Okay, I will say quickly, this color is actually like blending out beautifully, and it's not doing that thing I hate where it picks up where I put the brush. And this is obviously 2 brushes now I've been using with it, and it's great. It packs on when you need it, and it buffs out also when you need it. Joker, but make it fashion. I'm not gonna say that, because if it doesn't look at all like fashion, then I played myself. All right, I'm gonna do the lid right away. So I'm using that dark black silver shimmer shade. It's called Ha Ha Ha. Again, quite a fitting name. And that's just going all over the lid, packed on. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Maybe because of the shimmer, but oh my, that's going on extremely well. I'm sometimes nervous of these because they can be quite light or going over other colors they don't cover at all. But this is going over that purple, no problem at all. At all. I might be obsessed. Oh my God, I love it. Wow. Well, color me impressed. I am digging this. And quite frankly, so far, minimal fallout I'm seeing from this palette. I'm just impressed. This is gonna be such an easy Halloween look. Yes, yes, yeah. All right, next we have the red and the orange. The red is called Desire, the orange is called Surrender. I'm gonna be taking another fluffy brush and going in with the orange in here and just, I was gonna say excavating that hollow. See how that goes. Oh, it has little glitters, this orange. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I'm just really like going wild. If I'm going into my eyebrow, I don't care. I'm quickly touching back into the yellow as well. And next going into the red a little bit. I don't know how pigmented this will be. Alright, just gonna dab that in everywhere. So yeah, it went a bit messier than I anticipated. I wanted something a bit more wartsy. And so I'm just gonna clean it up. Oh yeah, we have to do the red lip too. This is what happens when you just go with it. I feel, did I mess it up? Is she cute? Is this the Joker look? Before I clean up the eyes, I just wanna do this on camera because I usually do lips off camera. And since this is a product of the collection, I wanna do it on. I need to wash. I'm kind of happy going over this color because it kind of does a nude base. What? Okay, I think I thought it was not going to be so opaque. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I look so ridiculous. Okay, the smell is unbelievable. It's so yummy. Oh my god, this is a lip gloss? Okay, wow. This formula is unreal. Y'all need to try this. Wow. 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 I mean, in general, I really like their lip glosses. I've never tried a red one, and they always feel almost like water, like there's no stickiness. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I look like an insane person. I'm gonna finish this wild look off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, this is not the usual look I do on this channel for a regular palette review, but given that it's Halloween and it's the Joker, I decided to go a little crazier and just sloshed it on. It's not as make it fashion as I anticipated or wanted, but I just got a little carried away and I had fun playing with the colors, just plopping them on. Excuse my face while I talk about these final thoughts. This is different. That's different. So what do I think? First of all, I really love the mirror, but mine is a little bit warped, like I said, so I am messaging them to see if I can get a refund. But if you do have a chance to grab it, I think it's super unique, and it's the perfect amount that you can really like see the spot, mostly your eyes, but just up to the lips like this, where you can do your makeup. So I really recommend this. I'm just gonna touch on this right away. This is excellent. Oh my gosh, like, oh, I just wanna keep putting it on my mouth and never take it off. I really am tempted to do the whole like. I'm just thinking a mess of things. Oh geez, I'm just going wild now, aren't I? I absolutely love this guy. I think it's excellent. I think the pigment is amazing and I can't recommend it enough. And lastly, the palette, while I look like a complete mess, first of all, 10 out of 10 for packaging. I think it's amazing, especially that on the inside and around the mirror, you have that same design. I think that's incredible. Colors honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't have the highest hopes for the pigmentation of the mattes, but they turned out to be quite great. The gray, the two kind of gray shades at the bottom are amazing. I really love them. I think this blue was a pleasant surprise because it's a cream, but it's really pigmented. The purple is actually amazing, like so good. The white, obviously I didn't use, but it looks like a really lovely typical bone white. And then the red, yellow, orange, green. So I do have a couple of these colors, especially for Makeup Revolution. I do feel like these ones, particularly the yellow, worked way better than the ones I've had in the past. The orange has that little bit of shimmer, but I don't believe, it doesn't really pick up on the mirror, so I mean, they're cute, but maybe if you did a whole orange look, it'll be great. Red is actually quite nice. I tried to pack it on a little bit more in certain parts, and the green as well, it went on well. So all in all, I really recommend this collection. I wish I had my Joker brushes, but alas, here we are. Can't have everything, can you? But I am gonna get them as soon as they're back in stock. So excuse my face. Thank you for watching this video. I do have lots of videos coming up. It'll be at least 2 a week for October. So definitely, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'd love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at SLAVIC CHIC, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.